warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Rena Fiansyah, NIM saya 501200535. Saya dari kelas 4F Ekonomi Syariah. Yang pertama yaitu tentang change in advance and depends on origination business process. Case study at Indonesia Supreme Audit Institutions (BPK). Abstract. Due to the rapid evolution of it, BPK will implement the best possible governance as it has not achieved its key format indicator relative to tax audit ratio, which is 55% of the 50% targets. Become these studies and quality methods or in TV, the root cause and process implement out the government framework. The data on data watch or table through document analysis, literature review, and interview validation give the limited repatriation the business involved in the public source code. The result of the study. Referensi Naim A.W. Wibawa A.Asud A.K 2022. Change is it government and its implements on origination business process case study at Indonesia Supreme Audit Institution (BPK). Proceedon Computer Science 197 halaman dari 734 sampai 742. Nomor 2 yaitu strategi for active in business and alignment in gaming industry in Indonesia. Abstract, the gambling industry is one of the industry that generally hype and promote reference manufacturing underpin in rapid development of the gambling industry. One of the is it business oriented core view of information technology atau IT, and business is very important. The from free some research has been done and how alignment can be achieved. Referensi yaitu Primasari C.H 2000 tahun terbit yaitu 2022, yaitu tentang strategi for 18 is business alignment in gaming industry in Indonesia. Jurnalnya Proceedon Computer Science 197 halaman dari 469 sampai 476. Nomor 3 yaitu Relations of BEP ISO 9001 2016 and Population and Business Problems of Manufacturing Industry in Developed Country in Indonesia. Abstract yaitu from student have elected the name portur in plastic. The is ISO 1100 on formats in manufacturing in developed country. Indonesia is one of the developing countries with the implementation of ISO 1100 is still well studied. Although you may complete have through ISO 9001 Indonesia, automobile industry is still unable to complete which Malaysia and Thailand. The purpose of the student is in the reflection ISO 9001 to and the operational product, consumer sanction, product quality, and business with of the Indonesia auto simple industry, supply industry. Referensi yaitu Nur Cahyo, Zulfahdilah, Habibur Rahman, DTM. Tahun terbit itu 2021. Dari country Indonesia atau Helion 7, halamannya I05537. Nomor 4 yaitu implementation of the spender informasi packing for improving the case of doing business in Indonesia. Lot and territories abroad on the business and urban as get around the world and applying land management which to active socialization urban development the World Bank record the improvements of land management and promote the edu funds indicator of the improve to the support economic accounting. Referensi yaitu Indrajit TTA Luwenen TTB Suprajaka tahun terbit yaitu 2021. Jurnal dari Lanus Polix 105 halaman yaitu 105338. 5. Earning Management Business Strategy and Bank Risk and from Indonesia. Abstract yaitu the popular of the study in influence the impact of real management and business strategy and bank of risk. Rebus regularity of the multi-less squares MLS and mystery regulations in from the finalist data 1068 dan finalis Combined Indonesia, the Indonesia Stock atau IDX. The results show that in reference to the best when profits management and branch risk boost the implement aims of to commit business costs reduce and the security reduce but of risk. Referensi yaitu Abu Sina, TTD, Muhammad, TTN, TTP, TTA, Permatasari, TTY. Tahun terbit yaitu 2020. Jurnal dari Helion. Para buku E03317. Nomor 6 yaitu Policy Connect Fraud Family and Business Group Company and Cost of Capital and then from Indonesia. Abstract Islami in the Politic Deputy, the boards Supreme Board SB and the Board BOD on the debts and capital cost of Indonesia listed company that and computer the system. Reference yaitu Joni J. Ahmed K. Milition J. Tahun terbit itu 2020. Jurnal dari The Bridge Accounting Review. Halaman yaitu 10.0878. Nomor 7 yaitu analysis of interactor in determining the potential business benefits of small scale pig farming STEMI in West Papua, Indonesia. Abstract yaitu pigs produced in is an information research for store and is source of economic and social business insurance and insurance full tax. Information include lawsuit and profession is from the various STEMI. Some as the Quality Expansion System Indicator H-score. Referensi IAIDE Nur Hayati D. Amri M. et al. 2021. Helion 7E05911. 8. Scuba diving operation placed in scuba diving trans business in Pemedia Indonesia. Abstrak yaitu Nusa Pemuda asli Indonesia many give the spot but also on of the most famous dive spot in Southeast Asia but due to its unsustainable tourist developments it is not a mature destination. I don't lead and turn the crowd diving and touring in the area. Reference yaitu Geruang A Cihia K.W 2020. Buku yaitu dari Journal of the Outdoor Regulation and Tourism 31 buka urus 10 0328. 9 yaitu Contextual for enterprise influence the business in Indonesia small and medium explain urus SMEs. Abstract this study propose and include the frameworks that express the interrelationships between virtual format in and a business and as a result the impact on small and medium SME business formats. Then student begin with a computer system review and business software in by the technology origination and 32 works BEM and the usiang the base keyword RBVS. Referensi yaitu O.P.Putra H. Santoso HB 2020 jurnal dari Helion 6 E0358. 10 academic comping with business login. I student at Al Indonesia Universitas Abstrak Desperman and Company and Invest Company Institual login the Universitas Business Company UBC. We surface to universities in Indonesia and stroll into both grades. Proses computer science and electro the energy. Referensi itu David F. J. PVD bestseller PVD 2018. Buku yaitu The Medallion of Engineer and Technology Management 49 PP-nya yaitu 91 sampai 100 08. 11 yaitu business proses kemajuan on MSME NS Java Indonesia. Abstract the popularity in that student equality the grain of the Java SMES MSME using I business project maturity model. The MC from Rex model in India for MC. MSME business process what the maturity of the business process. The newest element of the structure MBPOM model and the surface element based in the sense of the Indonesian MSE with the styling in the implement of IT to constant in costly of the preparation. Referensi yaitu David TTF TTM 2019. Jurnal dari Prosedia Computer Science yaitu 160 PP-nya 1098 sampai 1105. 10.005. 10.098 sampai 11.005. Nomor 12 ya protective sis and business usual tagli ada across the college ada Indonesia 1959 sampai 2016. After yaitu campaign in by the Indonesia recruited from the end of the Indonesia and plus the introduction the 18 year of Indonesia diplomacy to determine the partnership to force the will and the code asset of 218 nanti ada police the police document and that me 1959 sampai dan 2016. Referee yaitu Urbane JJ Nos DR 2019 Paradi jumlah itu Land Police 86 PP dari 136 ke 146. 13 and average analyst and safety in I study Imro business in Indonesia. After yaitu there's in the preservation the way of the safety and stability community step again and safety from the study was into GMAFR ILO Asia Tibika in Cengkres home base and in the locality of the Kalimantan, Bali, Nusa Tenggara, Sumatera, Sulawesi, et Java. PV Adi EN Elia EA Amida 2021 di jurnalnya Helium 7E 06/12/2. 14 dokumen the approach to the cost of the launch average from Indonesia Praimida Business Groups. Abstract in this article we explain the relation between the possible and remedy and it cross the loading in Asia also where hair of the playmate and ready the legal system weak and the deficit on the bank it fixed. Referensi yaitu Chandra, TTI Utama TTA Householder Z TTA et al 2018 yaitu Global Finance Journal 37 PP 100 sampai 112. Nomor 15 yaitu Intro and the Bus and from the mobile game the COVID-19 Break in Indonesia. Abstrak yaitu comment the intro the and the UTA-UTS model which would be limited the Indonesia during COVID-19. Through the TAUT model of the Indonesia from the mobile game during pandemic. Referen yaitu Etika TTRA Neuron TTLA TTM Pratama TTS 2022 judul yaitu jurnalnya yaitu Pradistia Computer Science 1907 PP yaitu 403 sampai 409. 16 yaitu crown of the in Indonesia abstraknya yaitu preview of the position the real become the trend the leading the of the crowns to I complain and the may mention the disclose and influence along the three aspects yaitu ekonomi, sosial, and environmental. Referennya yaitu Gunawan TTD, Pratama TTP, Fauzan TTH 2022. Journal of the Clear Prediction 358 131798. 17 yaitu making legal the post the position the illegal from only question the Central Kalimantan Indonesia. Abstract the study on how Indonesia Amat politic makes illegal volume of in Indonesia from the courts using the Central as Kalimantan will the legal and politician in the watch. Referee yaitu ASUTA, Melia, TTMA, MC Grajo, AHL 2022. Jurnal itu Land of Police 144, 10.5942. 18 yaitu modeling in loop. Abstrak yaitu match for batch records in Indonesia in increasing year by year. However, Indonesia domestic the hit much information the SPDF community. In France, the slave supreme, does not system of indication. Referee adalah Ramadan TTA Arimutsi TTA TTM Suse TTI 2021 Halloween 7E 07754 19 yaitu exploring Indonesia energy politik failure through the JOS framework. Abstrak yaitu the Office 19 Academy and Profit for the Global Energy Trends and Community in countries including Indonesia slow this offering to approach this brand the review Indonesia energy supply Indonesia politik the just framework they has just from this and referensi reference yaitu Smartlo titik B something PW Setang P titik Prawira Remaja titik W 2022 apanya yaitu jurnalnya energi politik 164 yaitu sampai 1129 14. Ini ya. Itu ulang enggak, Jo? Ini?
Mereka tuh.
Satu yaitu between zero from the through tolerance the from string the navigation of the frame the only of the Indonesia. Abstraknya yaitu since 2013 Indonesia like the frame the complete in the is a strong yaitu SESLED 2013 Indonesia Legram the Plum on complete and establish its the strong quarter of the zero the difference yeah. Reference yaitu dermawan TTA yaitu hospi TTU titik termet C titik Z titik AM 2022 from the Politik and the Economics 136 10-26-90 dua-dua yaitu finalis Immution the of complete from Indonesia and the saying the get the during in the Cold War after the Dutch and the thing the name in the computer the economy and the of the radio nation the finalis and the bagian the due to the remotely and the US in China the trade war. Reference yaitu Wijaya TTLI Zunairah TZ dan Nandia R 2022 yaitu Helion 8E 08832 3 yaitu goal versus the invest, the less and the only difference the power trust. After Indonesia, Leganesia, the Sweden, Asia, and the world top countries in the dream of the call the power pledge. Replay yaitu Ordosnes, the JTTA, Paris, TTM, Ericsson, TTZ, 2022. Jurnal itu regular form sustainable the filling moments 68, BP-nya 3, 50, 363. 24 yaitu Agius Lander Recon to the term for the cross the ratio from Indonesia abstract yaitu this student in the clone of ground the last of the friend to the from the Indonesia during few virus pandemics. Reference yaitu Nishik Kumaludin TTM no Maditya TTB TTS et al 2021. Jurnal itu Halloween 7/07/52. 25 yaitu meeting the strong economy that's the promise for the diplomacy Indonesia some effect the shoot. After will the extreme and the result the between the national sector the place and the improvement energy from 1980 2020. Reference yaitu Saufan, TTS Habibullah, TTM TTS Sugandi, TTE TTA 2021. Jurnal yaitu Helion 7E08633. 26 yaitu Revise the ruler the international rapid the finale ICP thus the having the naturally the time the cross and they say target the student and Indonesia energy sector abstract clean the chain in the Afghan diplomat process in the globalization the transform and the red inbox deployment and the bring the multi implement climate question and adapting to the change. Referee yaitu Surosot D, TTS, TTA, Setiawan B, titik Pradono, TTP, et al. 2022, yaitu jurnalnya Erving Rhodes Mental Science and Politics 131, PP 188 sampai 197 yaitu concern the Queen the Afghan in Indonesia abstract the enmity the public the reference yaitu jurnal TTS TTM TTI B TTM TT 2020. 89 jurnal yaitu Economic Modeling 89 367 dan TT377. 28 original review those and the unprecedented economicness of the event to the April in Indonesia abstract yaitu and study and the original of employment brand in Nature to paper. Reference yaitu soiling TTP TTD Santi TTS TTD TTA Indriati TTF 2022 Halloween 8E092208 29 yaitu opti depth permit and the bush in the scope abstract women of the Indonesia Framing Lecture 2007 sampai 2014 to explore the roles of the optimal Indonesia depth in the broader dynamics. Briefly yaitu LIM TTS TTS Bon TTM 2022. Journal of the Bention the Experimental Economics 97 10 18 30 yaitu problem dynamic and integral to the system Indonesia abstract yaitu the educational and the project scholar log and AKM with the idea of pushing the interview the sector. The play yaitu Wibowo TTA TTP Nur Kasana TTI TTRA TTRA 2022 Prediksi Komputer Sains 1907 484 494. 3 itu angkatan data condition in the auto electrics, road bike, the small medium electric in Indonesia. After what the part in the standard implementation into economy implements reference yaitu Krishnagum TTI titik Ayundia Adeni TTN dan Sesanto DTDTA 2021 yaitu Halloween 7 di 072932 yaitu das implement of the opening the expo promotes advances on Indonesia non oil and gas export abstrak yaitu the opening the Indonesia tax the promotes the counter the government to the Indonesia in non oil and gas exports. Referensi yaitu ada STTR Zakia A TTF 20 2021 yaitu Halloween 7E 07756 DD3 yaitu S of the set COVID-19 economy the FPT the student of Indonesia abstract the COVID-19 pandemic national I major implement the host industry reference yaitu Malahayati TTM Masliya TTM Angri TTM 2021 ID Studi Indonesia Ekonomis A22 2913113 yaitu Publishing Management Curriculum in Indonesia abstract on of the batch the technology development the Indonesia of the state the public and the good the habis equity the electric commerce reference yaitu Wibawa A titik P Hitape AI Hendianto FTI al 2022 International Journal of Education version of the 3/10/103 35 the act of the defense on the better quality of energy in the starter in Indonesia after yaitu delivering the transport the most and the first the annually and accounting the quality and associating the infrastructure in one improvement aspect and to this problem. Referensi yaitu Yudhistira ETM TTH Kadimah ID Makfira and TTR 2022 ekonomis 1906 10 74 15 36 yaitu hub the mobility the COVID-19 and program the community. That's the another of the government through the of the government track the mobility during in COVID-19 pandemic. Reference itu Gairul Munafik Abdul Rahmat FP Putri Ilham 2022. Reflect 13 10 05 17 37 yaitu Driving Design of the Term in Industry Property Strategi Abstrak yaitu Student Employment and the Government Politik Mulai 7 COVID-19 Pandemic. Referensi yaitu Putra A Situmorang F TTR 2021 Journal of Hospital Management 95 10 28 90 38 yaitu anti corporate and the close the crown politik and olive pranks in Indonesia abstract the rapid of the frame the great improvement in the province. Reference yaitu Blackstone B Will Upload 2022 G from 131 39 39 yaitu novel made of the finalist and the emerging text the from Indonesia which economics abstract yaitu the global finalist and the innovation and traditional business modeling in finalist sector. Reference yaitu Muktahman P TTN Center 2021 novel manajemen jurnal informasi manajemen 110 2403 40 the COVID-19 dari the Indonesia abstrak yaitu prepare and the answer counting the data of the COVID-19 from which terms in the fact in go we fract in Indonesia. Reference yaitu Cahya HTTS Nos di 2021 the COVID-19 the trend the fract Indonesia International Journal and fract 19 119 111. Pas satu yaitu from the exploration the politic and regional acting in Indonesia abstract the trust to long the cover the its unity and the force the referee yaitu something about the definite quantity the energi politik 165 11 11 1984 2 yaitu estimasi protokol Indonesia I completed from work. They student from the framework the basis activity of Indonesian management system and from the security from the house. Reference yaitu Barinda STT Ayuningsi TTD 2022 for the control 134 10 86 87 43 yaitu coming the sebenarnya the digital industry di Indonesia apa yaitu with energy charge to the nearest to the in the referensi yaitu Roll CTS CTN DCT 2022 yaitu Journal of the World Business 50 10 13 12. Keempat yaitu Intentionality the Economic Moral SMA was the during the COVID-19 the pandemic ratio the from Indonesia. The COVID-19 and the from planet the economy and everything and the from the business and from the economic country. Referensi yaitu Wahyono HTT Namaditya B. Wibowo et al. 2021. Halloween the 07400. 45 itu target the scroll the from edukasi the academic development Indonesia. Terus itu ekonomi nanti in 2010 the from the assessment the from the student. Reference yaitu Mulyadi Ningsi the TTT Bang TTS TT Mariati TTR et al 2022 Journal of the Equity Development 88 10 25 10. 46 itu standard the reference from the Musne in the AWS abstract in the Kan the proposition and the language and the match fundamentals the plane the public infrastructure. Referee yaitu Maheshwari H. Yudogo G. Aditya Adi Utama et al 2020 Halloween 6 E048344 47 itu ini emergency remotely depend in the education Indonesia itu any student created from the period and assume them the understanding the linear in higher education in Indonesia. Referee yaitu Cahyadi Ahendra Widyaju the S et al 2021 Helion T7E7788 48 yaitu introduce on the from Indonesia et al abstract yaitu the from the industry the from the et al and student Struber in the through the science. Referee yaitu Irawan Elia NBCS 2022 Halloween 8 E091139 49 yaitu the economic impact streaming in Indonesia during 2021 sampai 2015 action student popular Bangka Belitung from abstract the prepare and the economic and meal during and the phase of Indonesia to from 2022 to 2015 from the fish ke Bukeng the Bangka Belitung. Reference yaitu Susilo STT Rudiat TTFA 2022 yaitu the economic industry the system the 10 69 yaitu 50 yaitu analysis the from the related the skin and the sharing of the information the smart city digital from empirical defense from Indonesia abstract yaitu the smart city in the from the isolation urban the problem on the one of the smart city and smart local and the smart city the quality international and the place with your resident in the state world. Reference Marasa Kusumawa Tuti RD Normala TTN Ruli JTTI Art 2022 yaitu efek the Evidence from Indonesia Technology Institute Sosiati 681018. Sekianlah video dari saya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.